Hi everyone, Greg Davis with MarineMax down in Savannah. I want to give you a quick video walkthrough of the 2019 Sea Ray 270 Sun Deck. First you'll see it's equipped with the new Mercury 300 V8 outboard. This model has a sea deck on the transom, great seating, charging ports, freshwater shower, ski tow, beautiful interior. This has the sport tower with the tow point on the top and an integrated bimini. Moving forward, plenty of seating for everybody. Take a look at the helm here. This has the new Simrad digital dash. Really nice unit, full charting capabilities, fusion stereo, trim tabs. This model also has an enclosed head with the head upgrade. Very nice, plenty of room. And up front, great seating. Has an anchor windlass. The bow table mount can be seen in the front. Additional speakers. And a good picture of the seating area in the back. Big ski locker. Storage under all the seats. Nice addition here is the boarding step. For more information on this model, please contact MarineMax Savannah, 912-897-9881. Thank you.